Menteri rangba ka jylla u Conrad ke sangma ulakintat ya ka jingkano jong Congress baka sorkar jylla kalayalam ya ka jylla sya ka jingkit ram ka baranjan da ka baong baka jingkam jong ka nika parti kalong ka bamdan nongrim bat ka bayalam bakla. Ngalapun sya ya kanira bonsin ngalapun iya ka jingkiyo jong ka jylla ha ka roy ka par ong u Conrad haba banjur baka jingshim ram jong ka jylla kadai ka balale hapoh uput bala bot ka sorkar pedeng bat ka Reserve Bank of India RBI. U Conrad upen shairu baka jingshim ram na ka World Bank bat EDB kadai ki bala pya da kndai pau la shipau la ni prapau la arpau ha ka baka sorkar pedeng ka siyo ya ka babon. Hadu nyopo arpersen la siyo biang da ka sorkar pedeng bat arpo prapersen la siyo biang da ka sorkar jylla. Kumta ka jingkali halor ka jingbei tingkaling baka ram kam dan satya ula ong haba benram baka Kongres kalayalam bakla ya upat ba. Menteri rangba ula kenturu ya ka Kongres bakan sngotho ya ka rukam penyait pisa jong ka jylla hashwa ban penmi ya ka no ka jingken tho da ka baong baki ni jing persyang ki jongki ban ken tho e ki khana jingjob jong ka sorkar ha ka roy ka par kim shimla seso satya. Kumta ka jing persyang jong u president ka MPCC ban yalam bakla ya ki pat ba kalong ka basngo banyaw shibun. Kilayo iya ka jingkiyo ka roy ka par ha ka jylla bat kila persyang ban wad ikilat kilinti ban yale persya ya ka jingkiyo bat kumta kila yalam bakla ya upat ba. Ngakin tu ya ki baki day ban sngotho ya ka rukam penyat ya pisa tingka hashwa bakin keren bat penmi ya ki bakum kini ki jingkan tho la benram.
I have repeated this again and again. I don't know, maybe the MPCC president is not able to understand the different financial numbers that I'm explaining. But I've explained this many times. I've shown the growth of the state. We have been very clear that when it comes to loan, Government of India has got its mechanism, and Finance Ministry and the RBI has got its mechanism to ensure that no state can take any loan that is beyond a certain level. We are very much within that level, number one. Number two, if you look at the overall growth story of the state of Meghalaya, you will see that almost 70% of the funds that are used for the growth have come from the internal revenue of the state itself. So maximum growth and maximum revenue has come, and maximum expenditure has come from our own state revenue. Third of all, the different loans that the MPCC may be referring to, which is the World Bank loans and the ADB loans and the externally aided project loans. Again, for the sake of explanation, I will explain that number one, it's on a 90-10 ratio. So 10%, it's an 80-20 ratio in terms of the loan and the amount that we are supposed to pay upfront. So 20% state government pays upfront. 80% is the loan component. Out of this 80% of loan component, 90% is grant from the central government, and Government of Meghalaya has to repay back only 10%. And hence, if you look at the entire calculation, 72% is repaid back by central government. 28% is paid by the state government, which has to be paid in advance upfront. So the question of this being financed through debt does not arise at all. So therefore, the MPCC president is trying to mislead the people, which is quite unfortunate. They are seeing the growth and they're not finding any way to counter the growth that is taking place, and hence they are misleading the people, which is highly unfortunate. And I would appeal to them that they should understand the finances before they speak and make such comments.